Hello, assalamu alaikum friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Welcome with the short keys. So today we are going to discuss the short keys. So do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you. So first of all we will discuss window plus U. Easy off access control. So I will press here window plus U.
Always scan this section.
Okay, window plus U. Then we will discuss about window plus E for computer. Window plus E. You can open the computer screen directly. Okay, what I press window plus E. When we will talk about control plus shift plus escape for task manager. Control plus shift plus for task manager. Okay, you can get the task manager with this also. Control plus shift plus escape. When we discuss about the fourth key, control plus J for download window. How we can go the directly download window? We will press here control plus J. Directly we will go to the download window. Okay, you have to come here, then you will press here control plus J, then you can go to the download window as well. Okay friends, after that control plus S, window task manager. We think that we can open only by the window key this, but we can also open with the help of control plus. Okay friend, if you do not have the window key, or if your window key is not working, so you can use control plus escape. You can use this. So friend, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel How to Learn. Thank you for watching. Must comment for getting